Let's get started with installing the neck strap to your AirP hand unit. Everything you need is included in the box. First, locate the strap loop at the bottom of the hand unit. Using a pair of cotton pliers, grab the thin loop at the end of the neck strap. Guide the strap loop through the metal loop on the hand unit. Once it's through, pull the strap all the way until it's secure. And that's it. You now have the neck strap properly installed for your AirP hand unit. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please visit the Education Academy for additional resources and support.